Hey everyone! Welcome to Error Genie. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy steps to fix the flickering issue in Farming Simulator 25 on your PC. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Set monitor refresh rate to 60 Hz. Open Windows Settings. Press Windows plus I. Go to Display Settings. Select System, then Display. Advanced Display. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display. Adjust. Refresh rate. Click on Display Adapter Properties, go to the Monitor tab and set the screen refresh rate to 60 Hz. Apply settings. Click Apply and then OK. If your monitor supports 120 Hz, set it to 120 Hz and later match it in-game. Step 2. Adjust frame rate in game settings. Open Farming Simulator 25 and go to Options. Set frame rate to 60. In Display Settings, set the frame rate to 60 FPS and apply changes. If your monitor is set to 120 Hz, match this in-game by setting the FPS limit to 120. Step 3. Turn Vsync on or off. Go to Display Settings in the game. Vsync. First, try turning Vsync off and set the frame rate to 60 FPS. Apply changes. If this doesn't work, try turning Vsync on and set the FPS to 60 again. Step 4. Toggle FreeSync and Gsync FreeSync for AMD users. Open your AMD Adrenalin software. Try turning FreeSync off, then test the game. If needed, try turning it back on and check again. Gsync for NVIDIA users. Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Gsync settings. Toggle Gsync off and test the game, then try turning it back on if needed. Step 5. Switch to exclusive full screen mode. In-game display settings. Go to Display Settings in the game. Set to exclusive full screen. Select exclusive full screen mode. Apply and keep settings. This can help eliminate flickering for many users. Step 6. Disable AMD fluid motion frames, AMD users only. Close the game and open AMD Adrenalin. Turn off fluid motion frames if enabled, then restart the game to check if the flickering issue is resolved. Step 7. Adjust volumetric fog and DLSS. Open advanced graphics settings in the game. Set volumetric fog to low, scroll down to volumetric fog quality and set it to low. Turn off. DLSS. Find DLSS in the settings and disable it if it's on. Try these steps and one of them should help fix the flickering issue in Farming Simulator 25. Thanks for watching Error Genie. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more tech solutions.